In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to install and configure the basic settings of Better WP Security. To do this, you do need to be an administrator over your WordPress website. We're going to start off by going into the dashboard, and then on the left-hand side, we need to click on Plugins and then Add New. In the search box, we can just simply search for Better WP Security, and that should bring it up just nicely. There it is, the first result. So all we need to do is click Install Now. WordPress, as usual, will confirm that you do want to install it. Then it will go and download the plugin and install it onto your server. When it's done, click Activate Plugin. So with the plugin now installed and activated, if you look at the left-hand menu down the bottom, you can see the security menu item. So we're just going to click on this. And that just takes us to the welcome screen for Better WP Security. The first thing it would like you to do is either create a database backup or to decline backing up your database. It's up to you if you'd like to back up your database. I certainly think it's a great idea to back up your database at least, semi-regularly, maybe once a week, depending on how busy your site is. And in this case, if you do it through this plugin, it will just actually email that backup to you. So I'm going to click Create Database Backup. And that's done. So now it will automatically go and take care of the database backup for me. In the dashboard, we have the option to use the one-click protection feature of this plugin. You can just simply click Secure my site from basic attacks, or you can alternatively click No thanks, I prefer to configure everything myself. We're going to go through this in a reasonable amount of detail, so we're going to click No thanks, but of course you're more than welcome to do the one-click setup if you'd like. And what we first see here is a list of things that are good and bad, so just a basic overview of how secure the website is, and naturally things in red, they are bad, things in green are good, things in blue sort of neutral, and orange is not great, but that's okay. So from here it's really a matter of finding what of these are a high priority to you, and then how you can go and then implement them. So right now you can see we have 21 items that we need to update, and then just below this we can see some system information, and this just shows you information on your server, where your WordPress website is installed. Most importantly though, perhaps, is to see that .htaccess is writable by the plugin, as well as wp-config. The rest of the information is not so useful unless you really need those details, but you can get them off your web hosting control panel anyway. So just to show you how this plugin works, especially from the system status screen, is we'll just take the first item on the list. You are not enforcing strong password, so we click here to fix, and then it takes us very quickly through to the point at which we can make the change to this. So strong password role, and you can change it to any of those access levels you like, and as it says there, the minimum role at which a user must choose a strong password. So you can just leave it to administrator if you like, but it's probably best that you choose at least contributor or a minimum of contributor, and then you can just click Save Changes, and that will fix it there. But that really wraps up the installation and a very basic look at how it manages your system security and how easy it is to change them. In the next tutorial, we're going to go through this plugin in more detail and look at the user functionality. If you have any questions about this, please ask in the comments below.